Now, you guys, I don't floor my car, okay? I gradually go. I don't know the speed limit here, so we're just gonna go. All right, so we're going. I believe we have to be going over the speed limit, you guys. So that plus and minus thing, I don't know. I will have to go back in settings and double check the plus and minus on there. But you guys, this camera is amazing. Man, I can't wait to finalize. I want to see this once we get in the house and I edit. I want to see the camera quality. I want to see the camera quality. This is amazing. I'm actually having. I'm not even looking in the rear view. Okay, I'm looking at my rear view now. But yeah, if I find a way, or if I find out if you can do the mirror, if you can look at the mirror and your speed at the same time, that would be like a bonus. Because what if somebody's speedometer don't work in their car anymore? You know, I don't know who is in that situation, but you never know how a hoopty goes. All right, you guys. So again, I don't like speeding. That's just me. But let's put it down a little bit. All right, so we're going 50, and I believe this is not a 50-mile-per-hour zone, you guys. As a matter of fact, I haven't even seen the speed limit. Oh, what's the speed limit? Oh, 45. All right, so we was going 50 and a 45. Don't tell nobody. All right, you guys. So I am going to finalize this dash camera. This dash camera is like my favorite dash camera, you guys. One of my favorites. All right. I still like the one where you have the 4 cameras, but this one is good for my wife. She loves this thing. All right. So I did wire her car properly. Okay. So I have these little clips right here. If I find these clips on Amazon, I'll post them for y'all. But these little clips right here are amazing. So yeah, sticks onto the window well. Don't worry about this loose one. That loose one, my fingerprint hit it too much. All right. I need to put another clip right there, but she don't mind those clips right there. Now, I do have all of her cables hooked up except for uh the rear view because they didn't put enough slots here for the 24-hour parking. So you have the 24-hour parking and the rear view. So whatever one you want to switch to, that's your choice. All right. But as far as I see, I don't see no other USB uh type C here. All right. You look all the way around. I don't see no other USB type C. So we'll just have one extra one lingering around. Okay, but she don't really care about the 24/7 parking. She don't care about the rear camera. She just cares about what's in front of her and how people are driving in front of her. Okay? If somebody rear ends you, then you kind of know somebody rear ends you. I'm still going to hook up the rear camera. I'm in process of doing that now. So at the end of the day, this is how I ran the wires. I pretty much have clips right here. If you have space enough, you can put it actually underneath of your roof right here. All right. And again, some of these clips I touched too much with my fingers. But anyway, so I ran the 24-hour parking is going through here. This is the power cord. Power cord is going down here, under here. I put it right between, and then it's running down right there on this weather strip. And then I have the 24-hour parking cable right here. and I ran it right through this weather strip right here. It's going right on the inside. You can't see the wire. I used the pry bar that they gave us, the black one, somewhere around here, but I used the pry bar, went all the way down. I'm running it down, and here goes the 24-hour parking hookup. It hooks up to your OBD, okay? It hooks up to your OBD to do 24-hour parking. I will probably go over that on a later video. All right, so with the rear camera, I hooked it up on this side with along with the GPS. It's actually going underneath of the roof, okay? I got it going underneath of the roof. Got to put that one on a little bit more. I'm coming back on this side anyway. Put another 2 clips right here to make this run alongside here. And this is for the GPS. The GPS have to stay upwards like that. We went over that already. And how did I run my rear view? Well, my rear camera. So I ran it up here. Don't mind this stain. We don't know how that got up there, you guys. Kids. This is a 2006 anyway, so very old. Okay, so I ran it on top with the weather strip, under the weather strip, went under the weather strip. Now, this part was hard for me to lift, all right? So I actually just went right along the edge of that, and then I went underneath of the weather strip on the second seat, in the back seat, and I ran it right under this seam, right under the weather strip, under the weather strip, under the weather strip, and I ran it right behind here, okay? So I ran it right behind this seat right here, coming down. I lift the back seats down, and I got the wire right here, and the wire is actually going into the trunk. All right, you guys, now we are in the trunk. Now I got the wire going underneath of the panel right here, little cardboard panel, and then I'm running it on the trunk. And then I have it going inside of the panel right here. Sorry for that light. Inside the panel, and then it comes out right here. Now, the only thing I got to do is hook it up to my license plate. Now, when I hook it up to the license plate, I got to take the license plate off, and then I will probably have to drill the license plate or make a hole. Once I make a hole, I'm going to do the hole behind the license plate. That way, when I lift this panel down, I could fit this through the hole and then hook up the rear camera. So yes, I may be drilling, but you know, that's how it is. All right, you guys. So that will be it. Everything is good. The camera is like top notch, you guys. The camera is top notch. You cannot beat the camera quality on this, but that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I will definitely try to get back to you as soon as possible. I will do more videos on this, go over features and stuff later, but that's about it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.